What kind of talk is that? Do you want to talk? You want to talk to? You want to talk to Peyton? Talk to Peyton. Say hello, Peyton. Their toes. Look at. Get your toes. Get your toes. Doing, 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 doing. Doing, 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 doing. Get her. Get her. Say Peyton. Peyton goes, I like having somebody my size. Okay. You want to go get Peyton? Say Peyton. Hey. You gonna get Peyton? Get her. You gonna get Peyton? Say hey you. Say hey you. Are you talking to each other? Hey. Are you talking to each other? Say hi. Say hi, Peyton. Call. Here. Hello. They're just staring at each other. She's so excited.
Hey, oh, give me that back.
You think they understand each other?
Isn't that funny?
Peyton's so excited. She's just stiffening right